An urgent ticket sat unassigned for hours, not because nobody saw it, but because 2 triggers fired in the wrong order and one undid the other's work. If your automations are quietly fighting each other, your customers are paying the price. When triggers fire in the wrong sequence, they overwrite each other's changes. Tickets get incorrect priorities, land in the wrong group, miss SLA alerts entirely, or worse, create infinite loops that hammer your queue on every single update. Zendesk has 2 rule types that work very differently. Triggers fire instantly the moment a ticket is created or updated, checking every active trigger top to bottom. Automations run on a fixed hourly schedule and handle time-based conditions. They are not immediate. Here is what catches teams off guard. When an automation fires and changes a ticket, the next automation in that same hourly cycle sees the updated state. Earlier automations set the conditions for later ones. Get the order wrong and your logic falls apart. The SANE framework gives your rules a logical sequence that prevents conflicts. Sort first, then assign, then notify, then escalate. Each phase depending on what the previous one set up. It is the structure that keeps your automation maintainable as ticket volume grows. Your first triggers should establish what the ticket is, set default priority and type, apply your business schedule for SLA, and categorize by keywords or channel. Everything downstream, routing, notifications, escalations, depends on these values being set correctly. Assignment comes after categorization, but before notifications. You need to know who handles the ticket before you alert anyone about it. Route to groups based on category, apply skills-based routing if enabled, and set any omni-channel routing tags. Only after tickets are categorized and assigned should notifications fire. This ensures your alerts reference the correct assignees and teams. Auto replies, confirmation emails, agent alerts, and webhook updates to external systems all belong here. Escalations belong in automations because they depend on time elapsed, not on ticket events. Reminders for pending tickets, SLA breach warnings, auto-close workflows. These run hourly and act on conditions your triggers already set up. Zendesk evaluates conditions as all conditions and any conditions together. The all section requires every criterion to match. The SANE EOI section requires at least one match from within its list. Mixing unrelated scenarios in a single SANE block leads to triggers firing when they should not. Keep your setup maintainable with these principles. One trigger does one job. Use nullifying conditions to prevent loops. Set defaults before categorization. Test before activating. Document your logic clearly. And review monthly to deactivate unused rules. Rule-based automation handles known patterns well, but it cannot read context or urgency. Eesel AI works alongside your existing Zendesk triggers, learning patterns from your past tickets that keyword rules cannot cover. One-click setup inside Zendesk, no replacement of what is already working. Build clear automation logic and let Eesel AI handle the edge cases your triggers cannot cover. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai, no credit card required.